In this video, we're going to go over the completed crops tab. So this is something that when you are done with a plant for a season, because we didn't want to make the season year to year, we wanted to show all of the different successions that you might have. And some things are fall planted, some things are spring planted. So we want you to be able to use this as kind of a journal. And you go back and you see when you planted something, when you first harvested, when you were done harvesting it, and just any notes that you took throughout the season so that you can better plan for next year. Because, for example, when I look at it, I planted something February 16th, and then a month later, I planted it in March, and they bloomed at the same time. So next year, don't go through all the work of multiple successions when they're just going to bloom at the same time anyway. Don't waste that propane. Don't waste that in the heater. Same thing with all of my peonies. When did my coral charm bloom in that specific year? And so looking back at it so that you can remember which of your peonies, which of your perennials are mid bloomers. Now we know that this is going to vary year to year, obviously, but it helps give a little bit of insight so that you can better plan, a little more reliably predict, because let's face it, a lot of it is guessing. Ranunculus, for example. I got pretty lazy about the shade cloth, didn't know if it really was going to make a difference. It did. I made notes to myself. So this is where you can just review things. Every single plant is going to have a carrot, and year to year, you can look at those different years of crops. And I do think that we will find ways to condense this as they get more and more information in them. But for now, I think most people want more information. So that's where you can go and find them.